Meaning of dud.
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 Dud. The word dud has several meanings depending on the context. In general, it can refer to something that fails to work or perform as intended, such as a malfunctioning device or an unsuccessful plan. In popular culture, it is often used to describe a person or thing that is ineffective or a disappointment. Additionally, the term dud can also be used specifically to refer to an unexploded bomb or shell, which presents its own set of dangerous complications. Overall, dud implies a lack of success or functionality in some way or another.